Today I'm going to show you how to replace a rechargeable lithium-ion battery inside a Sony Ericsson MH100 wireless stereo headphone transceiver using Bluetooth technology. It can be used as a headset or a headphone connecting to your phone. Although Sony Ericsson no longer exists as a company, Sony has taken over all the Sony Ericsson joint venture products and developed some similar headsets and Mp3 player with this type of packaging. So the technique used here can also be applied to the other models as well. First, you will notice that near the power button and the connector for the power adapter, there is a cover that covers the screw, which secures the bottom cover in place. So you can use a flathead screwdriver to gently push open this cover, which is glued onto the device. Gently unscrew that and let it come out. It's a little bit okay. And now you need to work on the clip on the back. Now I already have removed this clip previously, so it's easier to remove, but you have to remove it in order to access the other screw. And the best way to do it is to use a very small flathead screwdriver to pop open this side and allow it to pop out. So the mechanism is quite simple. You have this clip that has two little clips on each side, which holds this spring in place on the bottom. And just remove the spring, and you can see that here is another screw you need to remove. And just remove that. And once the screw is removed, you can now easily remove the top of the device and the bottom of the device. So now, in order to remove the inside component from the case, you need to remove the control buttons from the side. The volume bar is not necessary to be removed because it's actually a sticker glued onto the case itself that is touch sensitive. And with this model, you just slide your finger up and down to change the volume. So we can leave this as it is, but you need to remove with the flathead screwdriver this panel of control buttons and just insert this into the crack of this button and the case, and it will pop out easily, and it will expose the control buttons from the inside. So once you have removed all the other parts, you can easily slide out the inner piece of this Bluetooth transceiver. And this is the part which protects the LED lights beneath. And these are three buttons: play, forward, and backward. And here you can see the battery, which is almost like a AAA size. It's a lithium-ion battery. And here you can take a screwdriver and gently pry it out. So this is a very nicely integrated small Bluetooth transceiver. And it's really good that they decided to use a replaceable lithium-ion battery instead of a proprietary battery that can be changed. Here you can see it says GP0836L17, And that's the model. You can find this easily on the internet, either on eBay or Amazon or other websites that sell a wide range of batteries. And you can replace this and then put it back. Make sure you match the positive to the positive and negative to the negative. And to test it, it's enough that you press the button on the bottom. If it lights up, then it's working. And to turn it off, just press the button again. And it's simple.